You're welcome to Unkumat Online Academy. I hope you are doing very fine. Today we want to learn addition, how to do addition. I hope you remember that in our last lesson, we learned how to arrange numbers in hundreds, tens, and units. So our lesson today is going to be on how to arrange numbers in hundreds, tens, and units, and then do addition with them. That is, if we are given two numbers, how we can arrange them and then do addition with the numbers. For instance, if somebody gives you 5 and 6, if somebody gives you 5 and 6 and the person asks you to add two of them, now first of all you are going to arrange the numbers in hundreds, tens, and units, and then you add them together. Now first thing we are going to do is that we write H for 100, T for tens, and U for units. So we have now this is one number, this is another number. We are going to put two of them in 100, tens, and units. We look for where they are going to be in 100, tens, and units. Now the first one is 5. 5 is only one digit. And remember that in our last lesson, we said that any number that has only one digit, only one, that the number is going to be under what? Units. So we are going to put the 5 under units. So we have 5. We have 5. Now, the second number is 6. 6 is only one digit, only one. So where are we going to put it? We'll also put it under units. Now, the next thing we are going to do is for us to draw a line. Now, look at what I'm going to do now. 5 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we count all the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the circles, they are 11. That means that 5 and 6 is equal to 11. Now 11 is 1, 1. Now see how we are going to write the 11. It has two digits, 1, 1. I said that the one that has two digits, you write 1 under units and you write the second one under tens. So we write our 1 under units, 1, and the second one we write it under tens, which is now that is 1, 1, 11. See how we arranged it. We put one under units and we put another one under tens. Now let's solve another example. Now example 2, let's add 10 and 12. Let's add 10 and 5. Let's start with 10 and 5. Now 10 and 5, how are we going to add this one? We write our 100 tens and units. We write H for 100, T for 10, and U for units. This is the first thing. Now the first number is 10. 10 has 2 digits. 1, 2. 2 digits. Now the one that has 2 digits, we put the first one under units and the second one under tens. So we put 0 under units and 1 under 10. Now the second number is 5. 5 has only 1 digit, only 1. So we put 5 under units. The one that has 1 digit, we put it under units. Now the numbers, we have finished it. So we draw a line. Now under the units, we have 0 and 5. 0 means nothing. That means 0 plus 5. If you add anything with 0, it will give you that number. So if you say 1 plus 0, it will give you 1. 2 plus 0 will give you 2. 3 plus 0 will give you 3. 4 plus 0 will give you 0. Will give you 4. And 5 plus 0 will also give you 5. So we are going to write 5 now under units. Now 5 under units. Now look at the number under tens. There's only 1. There is nothing under it, so we are not adding with anything. So because there is nothing under it that we are going to add to it, we just bring it down. So it's going to be, we bring it down, so it becomes 1, 5. That is 15. So that means that 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. You can check it. Draw 10 circles and 5 circles and count all of them together. Let's draw it. This one is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we draw 5 again. Now count all of them together. Now let's count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all the circles are 15. That means that our answer is correct. We got it 15 here. So the answer is correct. Now let's look at another example. Let's add 13 and 14. Add 13 plus 14. Now what we are going to do, the first thing, we write our 100 tens and units. The first one is 13. 13 has 2 numbers, so we put one under units and another one under tens. The first one is 3. We write it under units. The second one is 1, so we write it under tens. Now, the second number is 14. 14 it has 1, 2. It has 2 digits. We put the first one under units and the second one under tens. So we have 4 under units and 1 again under tens. Now we draw our line. Now we add 3 and 4 will give us what? 3 is, and 4 is. Now we add 2 of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 and 4 is equal to 7. Now we write it. 7 is only one digit. Because it is only one digit, we write it under units. Now the second number is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And 2 is equal, 2 has 1 unit. So we put it under the 10. So we write 2 here. So it becomes 27. So this is how to do addition in 100, tens, and units. Now, assuming that this one, that is 2, now you get something and it has 2 digits here under the tens, then you bring the second one to 100. But now the one we have is only 1 digit, so we leave it under tens. If you have 2 digits under units, you bring 1 to 10. If you have 2 digits under 10, you bring the second one to this one.